Okay guys, what I'm gonna do here is replace the ignition lock cylinder. This is a 2001 or 2002 Toyota Corolla S, and the problem we got here, you see it will not turn the car on. So you gotta get the ignition switch to accessory to be able to remove this lock cylinder out. So what I'm gonna do, the owner say she don't put the key all the way down and then she be able to turn it in like that. Alright, so I remove this bolt here and I remove another Phillips bolt here. So I gonna see if at another Phillips here. Yep, I got it here. So next we're gonna try to pry this here. I'm gonna see if I can get my video camera in there. Let's see if I can. See if I can access. It's raining here, guys. So basically what we gotta do right now, the position in this is like that. So basically we got an access hole in the bottom of the case of the lock cylinder, and when we put the switch and accessory, you'll be able to press this guy here and slide the switch out. So right now I try to get, well, that will help. Let's take this out of here. take this out of here, guys, so we see what are we doing here. Okay, so supposed to be a hole down here somewhere. I don't see nothing in this guy. I don't think that is it. If that is it, we don't got the right ignition switch. So, oh, I see it there. I see it here, guys. This is it. That's the guy. That's the guy right there. Let's see. That's the guy right there. That's the one we gotta press in. All right. You need a 90-degree guy like this, and let's see. Okay, so that is the access, and you can see you press that guy there, and then you can slide the switch off, and it's right here. You see it? All right, so next one, the new one should slide right in. And that's it, guys. Should start and run. No anti-theft in this guy, so you don't need to program the keys. So it's plug and play, and that's it. Try it again. All right, guys, thank you for watching.